volume of carton is equals to, whenever the dimensions are given in this form, 14 centimeter multiplied by 12 centimeter multiplied by 8 centimeter, that means it is already given length, width and height. So we have to just use the formula L into W into H, which is equals to 14 into 12 into 8. That would be equals to 1344 centimeter cube. Volume of matchbox equals to, dimensions are already given, 4 into 3 into 2. So we'll write down same, 4 centimeter, 3 centimeter, 2 centimeter. That means it's L, this is W and this is H. So that would be equals to, if you will calculate this, you will get equals to 24 centimeter cube. Number of boxes can be placed in carton. That would be equals to volume of carton divided by volume of matchbox. So if I will divide it, what we will get? We'll get it here, 1344 divided by 24. So if I'll divide this, I'll get the number which is equals to 56. That means 56 number of boxes can be placed in the carton with the dimensions 14 centimeter, 12 centimeter and 8 centimeter.